In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Thrustmaster T80 on GTA. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Thrustmaster T80 is a wonderful steering wheel that is compatible with many games on consoles or PC. However, the problem is that GTA natively does not detect any steering wheels that you connect. The game lacks steering wheel support. But there is a workaround to this that I'm going to talk about in this video. I just wanted to make it very clear that as of today, like I said, GTA lacks steering wheel support. So this is not an issue isolated to only the Thrustmaster T80. Because GTA lacks steering wheel support, you need to connect the Thrustmaster T80 and use it as a game pad. If you connect it as a game pad, you will essentially be able to drive around using the steering wheel. The only problem is that moving your character will not work, so you will have to use your controller to do that, but you can use the Thrustmaster to drive around. So to do this, disconnect the Thrustmaster T80 from your console or PC, and what you have to do is plug it in while holding down the PlayStation button. So usually there will be a PS button on the middle or on the bottom of your Thrustmaster T80, and all that you have to do is press this button down while connecting the Thrustmaster T80 into any of the available USB ports on your platform. By doing this, you should see a light flicker or blink, which indicates that the controller is now emulating a gamepad. Because the steering wheel is now emulating a gamepad, GTA is going to be able to recognize the controls. So when you get inside of a car and you try to move the steering wheel to the left or the right, it is going to turn the steering wheel in game. And like I said, you can only do this if you are using it in gamepad mode. GTA does not natively detect the steering wheels that you connect to any platform, so this is why we have to do this workaround. And then after this, you can just move around using your controller, but to drive around, the steering wheel in gamepad mode should work. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Thrustmaster T80 on GTA. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.